Alright, so I was wondering why my garage was getting so damn hot. So I ordered new pads for this swamp cooler. But I don't think it was the pads. So I took the pads off. And yeah, they look like they could be replaced. But you know what the problem was? And I had this happen to me before. Is this pump right down here is not pumping. All caked up with junk in there. And thankfully these are only $14 on Amazon, and they do last. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this, clean this reservoir all out, and of course change the pads out. But I got to have some coolie going on here, and to wire this thing up is really pretty easy. It just wires right up into the switch right up here. You take this off right here. You just cut the wire, and it's stupid freaking easy. You no basic electronics. But the pump for this is this Vivo Sun. I just ordered this new one here. $14, and it'll be in tomorrow. And they're good pumps. You don't need the big 660 gallon one. You just need the standard one, and it'll last a long time. The reason why it went out was it was clogged. And I really didn't do a lot of servicing. I should drain this a lot more to get the sediment out of the bottom, you know, from the media that trickles down and stuff. So there you have it. It'll be working tomorrow. In the garage, you know, it's 100 degrees again today, so sucks not having this when it's hot out. Really sucks. So hopefully this helps you out. Admirador. Alright, have a good one. Hopefully this will help you out if you got one of these things too.